Welcome to Cake of the Month. Once a month, I'll share a new cake recipe that highlights the unique charm of scalloped and fluted tube and bundt pans. From classic flavors to bold new creations, these recipes are sure to impress. Ready to see what we're baking today? Let's get started. Today, I'm making my London Fog Bundt Cake. This is a recipe that brings tea time to life in your kitchen, highlighting Earl Grey in so many ways in a recipe that you are gonna love. The link can be found in the description below so that you can get started as soon as this video is over. Now I'm gonna start things off with my warm milk mixture that I have infused with finely chopped Earl Grey tea. So this is giving us a delicious flavor to start. It's a base and smells so good. The citrus notes of Earl Grey give this cake such a nice, warm, cozy flavor. It's so good. All right, then in the bowl of the stand mixer, we're gonna get even more flavor going. I've got granulated sugar, and we're gonna get that in the bowl before we add some more flavor elements. I have lemon zest and orange zest. So how could this not be good? Then I have more finely chopped Earl Grey tea, and the bergamot citrus is now gonna complement that orange and lemon. So good. And we're gonna whisk it all together. Now what you're looking for here is a nice fragrant smell. How could it not be fragrant with these amazing flavors in? Oh yeah. And once you have that nice and combined, then we can get our paddle attachment on the stand mixer and start creaming our butter into that sugar mixture. Now it may take about 3 to 4 minutes to get this nice and fluffy, and you already know it's gonna be fragrant while it's combining. All of the eggs are in, so now vanilla extract. Moving right along, let's get our dry ingredients ready. In this bowl, I have all-purpose flour, and then I'm gonna add some kosher salt and baking powder. And we're gonna whisk these together. And then it's gonna be time to start adding it to the butter mixture. And we're gonna alternate here 3 additions of the dry ingredients to 2 additions of our tea-infused milk mixture. Get all of the tea out of this cup. If you have any sitting in the bottom, go ahead and just scrape it right in. Then the rest of the dry ingredients. Stop and scrape. Get all those dry ingredients off the paddle. Let's bring in our bundt pan. Today I'm baking in a 10-cup bundt pan. This is the elegant party pan, but you can use any 10-cup bundt pan that you have in your kitchen. It's been sprayed with a baking spray with flour, and then we're just gonna spoon the batter into the pan. Your batter in the pan, we want to make sure that we get all the air bubbles out, and we want to see the beautiful details of the pan design. So put a kitchen towel on your counter, and then take your hands to the side of the pan and firmly tap and turn the pan. And you'll see that that batter settles in evenly, and all of the air bubbles come out before it's off to the oven. Now, all of the baking instructions can be found in the recipe, but it's off to a 325-degree oven. After baking, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then invert it onto a wire rack and let it cool completely. The cake is baked, but we've got more deliciousness to put on it. How about an Earl Grey sugar crunch? Sounds good to me too. I've got some melted butter, and I'm just gonna brush it on the top and the sides of the cake. This is gonna help that sugar mixture stick and get nice, I say crunchy, but like it's just a nice sweet crunch with the tea flavor. So good. Once you brush butter on the side and the top, you're gonna sprinkle it on and press it into the side so that it sticks. And then you can dig in. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I cannot wait for you to make this recipe. The description for this video includes the link to the recipe and information about how you can be a part of the Bake From Scratch community. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you never miss a delicious moment in the kitchen. Preheat your ovens, everybody. It's time to bake.